It's 2:30 in the morning. We got our boat parked. We got a 2-hour taxi ride to the airport. Now we are on our way to Galapagos. Best day ever?
I don't know about the best day, but it's a day.
Everybody's so grumpy. Yeah, we left at 10:45. It's 10 o'clock. I guess we've changed one time zone, I believe. Anyway, it hasn't been fun. One more flight. We just got to Ecuador and we have another short flight to get over to Galapagos. So right here behind me, Gina's getting the, I guess it's a park pass. It's $200 per person. We have to buy it before we even get there. Wow, we finally got here. We just got to our hotel, so we're gonna deal with checking in and just kind of low-key day for the rest of the day. Great traveling. It's tough. And that little baby. What up, buddy? It's so funny. It's like a zoo here. It's crazy how they have it set up. I'm sure they have these all set up so the sea lions or whatever they're called are all over the town. Wow, I just took a 2.5-hour nap and then we walked down the street and we're getting ready for tomorrow. We're going to Rock. So we're getting all of our snorkeling gear, wetsuits, snorkels and such. Look at these guys. Hey, buddy.
Wait.
What do you got? We've finally arisen. It was seriously so wild getting here. I think 14-hour flights and layovers and stuff, but we are here. We are rested. We're so happy this morning. This little place, it's not the nicest place, but it's awesome. It has everything we need. Super clean. They served us breakfast this morning. Anyway, now we're going to Rock. I guess Rock is like one of the most, there's supposed to be lots of sharks, fish, turtles. It has a lot of wildlife at it. So we're super excited to go snorkeling there. Should be a lot of fun. I guess it's a 1-hour boat ride on one of their motorboats to get over to it. And then we'll be able to get in and then we're gonna go to a beach and have lunch, hang out there, and then be back about 3 or 4 this afternoon. It's pretty cool. We've seen numerous rays as we've been going already. So, and turtles. Alrighty, we just came over to the beach to hang out for a minute before we go to Rock, which is
I put that record on and suddenly I'm on the stage.
Going snorkeling. Got grandma and grandpa all suited up.
I don't care what they say, I'm gonna shine. What's speeding up, it's fine, I'm gonna slow down, slow down.
Say hammerheads.
Show up.
Oh, this is bigger.
Was it cool?
Yeah, it was really fun.
That was awesome. What was the rock called?
Lion's Peak.
Oh, that's what locals call it.
Kiki something.
Kicker Rock, but the locals call it lion something because it does look like a lion's head. Anyway, super cool, lots of fun. I should add, I think I may have said this already, but we didn't want to deal with all the hoopla of getting into here and not being able to really use our boat when we're here. And so we ended up flying here and we used a travel agent, and I will share her information at the end. She is awesome. She does a bunch of stuff for my company. She's been awesome to work with. She's so kind. We don't even know what we're doing on a day-to-day basis. I should, but we don't. I keep getting messages, so when to be where, at what time, and what we're doing the next day. So anyway, pretty awesome way to travel. Hey. That's how Gina sounds when I invade her personal space. So crazy. We went to dinner, we go up the road, and we went to the church, and I saw that lights were on, so we walked around and went inside. Started talking to everybody, and lo and behold, my wonderful mission president. His son was, he's actually the mission president in Ecuador. He and his wife were here. Wow, it was so cool to be able to run into him and so special, but it's crazy. We actually ran into his brother, so another son of my mission president, in Italy, in Rome, and he just happened to be there on a trip and we ran into him there. Anyway, what a amazing coincidence, right? You know, it's so incredible how God just places wonderful blessings in your life. It's so wonderful to be able to chat with him for a minute. And anyway, met a few of the members and a few people, friends of the church, and super special opportunity. Welcome to
Galapagos.
Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz.
In the Galapagos. So we're just going out on it's like 50-minute boat ride to another island, a little island, to go snorkeling. We're going to Santa Fe. I need Gina to be our tour guide. We are all so tired.
Oh, you're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna love it. This is catch of the day. Grandpa's eating raw tuna. Isn't it good? He's going back for more.
There's 6 right here.
Wavy, what do we have here?
Baby sharks.
Well, it was such a killer day today. We had so much fun snorkeling. Honestly, it's one of the top snorkels I've ever had. It was so cool swimming with the sea lions and the fish, and we got to swim with some sharks afterwards as well, so that was fun. Some little baby black-tip sharks. Galapagos, wow, it's been such a cool place to come to. We're so glad that we made the effort to get here. We just got done with church. It's so awesome, so many lovely people. And then we came up to this, the highlands. It was very wet. There's so many tortoises, so we saw probably 20, 30 on the way up here. We just had a quick lunch. It's awesome. Now we're just going on a little walk to go say hello to the turtles. So beautiful. First, a lava tube.
How are you doing? Thumbs up? Thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? Thumbs up?
I'm a dinosaur right now.
Dino.
That is so cool.
It's a good look for her, huh?
All right, we are going to turtle breeding place, I guess. We don't really know. Anyway, we're following our guide here in the Galapagos. I believe to do any of the, a lot of the stuff you have to have a guide, which it's awesome. All the guides that we've had have been just fantastic. So right now we have Andrea, and she is wonderful. These cactus trees are so cool. So these are all different than the ones that we saw yesterday. Different kind. 1 year and 1 month for these ones. These are like 5 to 6 years old. All right, we just left Santa Cruz, took a 2-hour taxi ride, boat ride over to here. It's so cool to see the different volcanoes. I don't know if you call them volcanoes or atolls. Anyway, it was very cool. Very beautiful ride. Now we are on Island Isabela. We've already seen some penguins. They're off in the distance, so we couldn't see them good. Isabela. Snorkeling?
Through some tunnels?
Where? Where are we going?
The tunnels
Yes.
is the really name is Cabo Rosa. Cabo Rosa have 2 places. The first place is the tunnels. The second place is Ampinado.
Push the gas.
Dang, we won't even take our dinghy though.
Nope, we wouldn't.
This is when I hate life, when you put your trust in someone else. We're coming out of these huge waves. Oh! Capitan! Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Fiesta time.
Well, Galapagos. Such a beautiful place. It's so amazing. We saw so many cool things. We're so sad it's all come to an end. So we just got picked up. They brought us over to the airport. It's super small. I guess this flight that we're on only holds, I think they said 10 passengers, and we're 7. So anyway, we have a long road back to get to Panama. Should be fun. Our travel agent, Tammy, she is incredible. I love just going places and trying to figure it out. But this is one of those places that I'm so glad that we had a travel agent to plan everything for us. Anyway, Tammy's awesome. So if you ever need any guidance on any trip, she is very qualified and wonderful. Let's go in the front seat. Such a cool flight. Saying goodbye to Galapagos. So far away from everything. I can't believe it. 12 more hours. We are finally back on Leah. We had so much fun in the Galapagos. It was so amazing, so worth going down there, but so glad to be back. Thank you for hanging out with us this next week. Join us as we get all prepared to cross the Atlantic or the Pacific. We'll probably leave. We have we have 2 different people coming with us. One flies in on Sunday and the other sometime next week. Not exactly sure. And then we'll probably leave about 1 week from tomorrow. So we'll see, give or take a couple of days. We'll just kind of wait for a good weather window and take off. So we're so pumped. We're gonna take you along as we provision and get the boat all ready to disembark and be on our way. So thanks again for hanging out with us. Looking forward to having you next week.